Hi, thank you for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree for your Sacral Chakra weekly reading. I do a different chakra each day of the week so that we can go through our whole system and reattune it as energies evolve throughout the week. This card will be for the actual Sacral Chakra, and then this one's coming from the Whale Matrix Chakra from the Earth to assist the energy here and help it evolve. So this chakra deals a lot with that relationship, the energy of sexuality and creativity, of really bringing two things together that allow for a third thing to emerge. So this is kind of carrying through on yesterday's message where there was a strong, divine, feminine energy here. And I'm reluctant to just speak freely because I don't want this to sound harsh, but there is a deep acknowledgement of the pain that has been inflicted, the abuses of the female energy, the repression, the exploitation of this energy, especially by the male energy. And not only is the energy abused in the way that it's just taken, it's just used for pleasure, for something very, lustful. It's also repressed for its creativity, for its part in creativity. And this energy has to be present alongside the male energy to have true creativity. So it is especially important that this energy is cultivated in our society. The arts are, hugely important for not only women, but for men. And having a type of creativity that deals with the feminine aspect of it alive and well in our society is absolutely pertinent. Now, I'm not sure why the male energy is still, it's almost like there's scheming to control, and it's almost like there's this desire to keep it up, to keep continuing this cycle and taking advantage of things. But I feel like there's such an awareness surfacing of the female as to what is really going on. And there's an ability to say that, yes, as much as you are repressing me and trying to take advantage of me and doing things that may feel even sneaky and underhanded, I not only am in my feminine power, but as a being, I'm also in my masculine power. And so I will do what I need to do to defend myself. And, by any means necessary. And that it's not going to step down. It's not going to play the role of passiveness here. So this is a very strong energy for the female to come into, because I do think that there's been a lot of dismissing of the energy altogether. So I feel like the female is really learning to balance both the male and the female energies. And that there's still a political even struggle where it's really playing out there, where the power is playing out there in politics for a restoration of true equality. Now, when I look at what can be assisting this energy, I get a sense that there is a feminine energy that's just sort of choosing to be wild, be free, be in their natural energy, be natural. There's not a whole lot of playing roles, putting on airs, like they're reconnecting to the elements and understanding the energies available through the elements to work here as energetic beings in this realm. And they're almost saying, I'm taking anything that feels petty, anything that feels like we are trying to not only make it petty, but also belittle it at the same time. There's sort of this like, I'm not going to deal with it on petty terms. This isn't a petty issue. This is no like little tiny issue. This is a big issue that has been contained and minimized, basically, and made to seem petty. And there's this questioning here of, like, why have we accepted this? Why is this going on? Why are we still refusing? Why is there such fear around emotions even? You know, like the emotional health of the masculine and a repression of emotion and not wanting to engage with things on an emotional level. And this, I'm not saying like this is everyone across the board or anything. I'm talking about major energies that are, you know, very general, not super specific. So just overall, I'm getting this sort of highlight of the feminine really restoring herself, understanding her own power, and what it means just to be a being, and this sort of dialogue going on with all the powers being restored as far as gender goes, as far as masculine and feminine energies go. Okay, so I'm going to wrap that up right there. Tomorrow we will continue with the solar plexus chakra, so please join again if you wish to. Thanks so much.